Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to upload documents to Teams. So to start, go ahead and open Teams. So search for Teams, then click on Open, then sign in if you have to. Now, once you're signed in, go to Chats at the left side. So click the chat icon. Then from here, go ahead and open a conversation. So once you open a conversation, go to the message box right here and go to the right side. Then just click the photo icon or the clip icon. So click on that and then just click upload from this device. Then look for the document that you want to send. Then click on open. So add your message, then click on send. So click this arrow right here to send the message or the document. And that's it. The document has been sent. So let's send another one. So open a chat, then go to the message box. So click the clip icon, then click upload from this device. So then go ahead and look for the document that you want to send. Click on open, add a message, then click on submit or send. And that's it. I hope you find this helpful. Thanks for watching.